G'day guys, my name's Nathan Baws. I am a business lover, a self-confessed business lover, guys. Not ashamed of it either. I love growing businesses. I've grown about 15 different businesses in all sorts of industries, property, this current one that I'm involved in, Tommy Sugo. You may have seen us around the place. We do food, pasta delivery. We've got about 7 verticals of where we distribute and sell our product. I'm involved in a bunch of startups. One of the things that I'm really passionate about right now is putting together a network. I'm really keen. I've got a team in India that is very good at bookkeeping, incredibly good at bookkeeping, and at a very affordable price. So what I'm doing is connecting with lots of accountants and basically saying, guys, if you want to outsource a bit of your bookkeeping, then we've got that we can deliver very competitive, ridiculously competitive prices for bookkeeping. And we've got a good team that you can scale up and scale down as you want. We're just going to be super flexible there. But everyone offers that. And look, some Australian accountants hate the fact of that they would outsource, and totally understand, because you've probably had bad experiences. So have I. I have a big team. I've got 15 team members in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Philippines, and they're freaking awesome. They're absolutely brilliant, and it takes a while to accumulate good people. But now I've got a really phenomenal bookkeeping team. We've got 15 of those on top of my other team that's involved in marketing. This team focuses just on bookkeeping, and they offer back-end services to accounting companies. Now, this is boring. This is super boring. What everyone's serving up for accountants is freaking boring, and I want to disrupt the system a little bit. So yes, we can offer back-end bookkeeping services to accountants, which will take your workload off, and you can do it at a fraction of the price. However, here's where the really cool part comes in. What it's all about is, I just reckon, when you go to an accountant, wouldn't it be amazing that they could do your books, give you tax advice, but also actually actively get involved in business growth? How awesome would that be? Accountants should be doing that because they know numbers better than anyone else. So what if we were to collaborate, you guys, your accountancy firm and my business, and we were to offer customers a completely new, unique angle of actually putting together a plan where we help people grow their business. I love business growth, and I'm involved in it. I'm actually writing a book at the moment with Tony Robbins and Brian Tracy. It's called Cracking the Rich Code, and I'm just writing a chapter in it, but I'm focusing on business growth. And so this is really cool. I was on Shark Tank, set a Guinness Book of World Records for ice baths, but all these things are all related to business growth because it stimulates dopamine and it does really cool stuff for our body, which helps more business growth. So what I want to do is suggest this package, just pitch this package to you guys, where we can offer customers coming in an absolutely amazing opportunity to grow their business, not just from the accounting sense, but my business is, one of my businesses is really passionate about SEO. We get phenomenal results with search engine optimization. We get really cool, we do a lot of graphic design work for customers and ourselves and across my businesses. And we also do a whole bunch of digital marketing in different ways, lead generation in particular. So what I'd love to do is offer and create a package holding your hand, where we say to your customers, when you come to me as an accounting firm, we'll do your books at X amount per hour, whatever you want to charge, have a massive markup, let's stack it on. But we offer so much freaking value that it's just totally unbelievable. I personally have been reaching out to accountants for the last couple of weeks. I'm looking for an accountant for myself because, and the guys, sorry to disappoint you, but you guys are all the same and you're all giving the same pitch. And it's a little bit snooze fest. No, look, and I'm not perfect, but I'm just giving you honest, blunt feedback. And you're all pitching the same. What if someone came up, rang you up and said, hey guys, what do you do? I want an accountant. I want my books and my accounting done. And you turned around and said, yeah, cool, we can do your books and your accounting, but we can actually help you grow your business as well. We are the only accountancy firm that offers phenomenal grassroots business growth opportunities where we will hold your hand. In fact, when you come on board with us, you get access to a $2,000 a year mentorship program that holds your hands, and it helps guide you through business growth strategies, which includes SEO and social media marketing and lead generation and sales training. And what we have on offer is this package that you can hook into when we do your bookkeeping. And we're going to be charging around $20 an hour. You can charge whatever you like, but in a $20 hour per package per person, then what they get is access to business growth as well, free of charge. Well, obviously factored into that $20 an hour. So you get all the bookkeeping done at $20 an hour, and they get access to a phenomenal business growth opportunity where they can come, and we have weekly mentorship sessions. We do webinars with them anywhere around the world, and they can jump online and we start coaching them in business growth and mindset optimization and health. All these things that I really love and focus on, which are phenomenal for business growth, because you can focus on revenue only and burn out in a year or two, or we can really support your customers and we can give them all that sort of advice. So my background's in health. I was a naturopath originally, then I built 15 different businesses in things like property and creative finance and restaurants and food industry and financial education for kids and all sorts of things. So really good stuff. Got a great background in business. Love helping people. Really passionate about it. And it's just something completely unique. So it would give you as an accountancy firm an edge. Here's the catch. There's not many, but there is this catch. So what it would do is you would offer our back-end services of bookkeeping we charge $20 an hour for all the bookkeeping, and we've got a very talented team in India, and we can go through that and give you all the assurances and the security and the cybersecurity and tick all the boxes. And assuming we get to 110% of your satisfaction to use our back-end services for bookkeeping, then we create this package that you can offer your customers. We're not telling them that they're doing your bookkeeping for those customers. What we're telling them is they now have access to this amazing package where they can get support, they can get weekly mentorship, they can ask questions, they can get a little bit of guidance on social media marketing, on lead generation, on sales, on health optimization for maintaining business success, on dopamine optimization, which is something that I really get excited about, on how to elevate our dopamine to really create amazing business outcomes. So there's all this stuff that goes on in the background. We meet weekly, we do webinars, we answer all the questions. And this is completely new. I'm bringing it, I run a podcast and I've been on tons of podcasts. And now I'm bringing that across to this sector, and we're building this product around what we're trying to do with the whole concept. So if you're an accountant out there, if you are interested in this concept and joining the party, we'll do the bookkeeping and we'll provide your clients with an amazing business growth platform that they can chat to us about business, talk about business, answer all the questions. We mentor them, and it's the only freaking thing that is out there like this that offers it. And it's an amazing opportunity. So if you want to get in touch, let's do it. Let's have a chat. And at this stage, this can be structured around the structure that works for you. So we want to work with just a couple of accounting firms and just help them grow new clients and bring in more customers by giving a completely unique offering. And at the moment, guys, you're just offering all the accountants out there, as I say, are just offering the same thing that every other accountant is offering. And some are offering it well, as in they have great communication skills. Others are a little bit average. But how would this differentiate your business if you could say, guys, come and get your bookkeeping done, your accounting done with us. And not only that, you'll have access to a very expensive platform free of charge where you get mentorship to grow your business. So if that's of interest, let's connect, because this is really cutting edge stuff. If you want to be a leader in this aspect and you want to be on the cutting edge, love to connect with you. Let's have a chat and let's see what amazing, cool stuff we can put together. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye for now.